got you back.
Yeah, okay. So is it clear now?
Yes. Yes.
Is it better now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, can you tell me the tips?
Oh yeah, I wanted to, before you asked me about like the best
Yes.
way to learn English.
Yes, best way learn to the accent.
Oh, the accent. Okay, let's.
Yeah, because I love the US accent very much. So I want to learn it. So how can I learn?
Okay, I'm sharing my screen with you now, and
Okay.
as far as the accent goes, there's this YouTube channel called Sounds
Yes.
American.
Is it yours?
No,
Is it yours? Okay.
no, it's just I have a few other students who want to learn the American accent.
Okay. Can you send me the link? Can you send me the link of this channel?
Yeah, sure. So I'll
Yes.
just type it. I'll just copy and paste it into the chat box. But if you're talking about the American accent, I have two resources for you. This one and
Yes.
Rachel's English is also
Okay.
good for the American accent.
I got. Yeah, American accent. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I know, and that's what like I can help people with. But if people want a British accent or an Australian or any other accent,
Yes.
then they should find YouTube channels related to those accents. And then,
yes, definitely.
yeah, they can also practice speaking into an app like for example, I'm sure you use Google Translate.
Yes, I use it.
Have you ever tried just saying something in English?
Yes, I tried.
And how was your experience?
My experience is very. If I talk about my experience, so this is an awesome app, and I got answer rapidly when I typed something or when I spoke something on it. So I got my answer correctly, and
Yeah, because I noticed that if I start mumbling or not speaking clearly, Google Translate will pick up my words wrong.
Yes.
You know,
wrong.
in Malaysia, but it's my fault because I'm mumbling.
Yes.
And then it shows me that I have to speak more clearly if it doesn't understand what I'm saying. So that's a good thing.
Yes.
Anybody can practice their English by reading a sentence in English and seeing if it comes back the same. And if not, then you know you have a problem.
Yes.
Right?
Okay, thank you. Okay, thanks. So do you have good habits?
Oh, wait. Before we talk about that, I want to share one more resource with you. About your question the other day about how like what's the best way to learn English?
Yes.
I watched this YouTube video and she researched polyglots and she interviewed all of these polyglots to find out how they learned so many different languages.
Yes.
And she found out that they all had a different method that worked for them.
Yes, okay.
That they enjoyed. So I think the secret is just to figure out what method you like. So you're going to do it every day. So there's no,
so
if you ask me, there's no.
Yeah, you told me or you taught me other things that I don't know the meaning of. I gotta go now. You typed on my answer. And I gotta go now.
I gotta go now. Yeah. Sometimes instead of saying I've got to go, I just say I gotta.
Yeah, I should. Yeah, okay.
But they're both right. It's just sometimes Americans shorten it.
Yes. So it was very difficult for me to understand, but now you cleared. Okay.
Yeah, you get used to it. Yeah, I know. You need to. Yeah.
So okay, now I want to know some your personal question like your habits, hobbies. May I ask if you have no problem?
Oh yeah, no problem, no problem.
So,
and you already asked me before if you could upload this video to YouTube, so you already got permission for that.
Whom?
You.
From whom?
You already asked me.
Yeah.
Before.
Yeah. I have.
If
Before.
you could upload
but
this.
In the. Yeah. So if you have problem, there is no need to tell me. But I also want to post this video. Because that video was very short.
Right.
If I post it, so
no problem. No problem. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So I would.
It is a related day for me that you are permitting me again and again, and I'm very happy.
No problem. No problem. As long as most tutors, as long as we know, right away, are fine. Most of the time, Most of.
Yes.
So about my habits.
Yes.
Okay. I like to eat most of the time healthfully.
Okay.
I like to exercise a little bit each day. Okay. I like to study a language a little bit each day.
Yes.
Now I'm learning another language myself, Indonesian. And
sorry? Indonesian?
Indonesian and Malaysian. They're similar languages, so if I just learn one or the other,
okay, so
I can travel. So I can travel within both of those easily.
Okay, that's why you are learning. Just because of traveling, you are learning Indonesian or Malaysian.
Yes, I really love.
Okay, so traveling is your passion?
Sorry. Oh, traveling is my passion. Well, it used to be my passion, and now I wouldn't say traveling specifically is my passion. I would say, I would say that I did enough traveling that now I have readjusted my priorities, but travel is still really important to me. And yeah. How about you? What's your passion?
Yeah, I also love traveling, but I have never been to other countries. Another country. Yeah, first of all, I want to travel. I want to travel the USA and the UK. And why do I want to? Yeah, why do I want to go to the USA? There is a reason that I want to see the Edison's laboratory. Edison's lab. I want to.
Oh.
Is there? Yeah. Edison's lab, laboratory of Edison, we can say.
Sorry, actually, some kind of laboratory. What?
Yeah.
What lab?
Edison. Who made with electric bulbs?
Oh, Thomas Edison's laboratory. Where is that?
Yeah, Thomas Alva Edison. Yeah.
Where is Thomas Edison's laboratory?
Thomas Alva Edison laboratory in the USA, as I know.
But where?
Am I right?
Which state?
No, I don't know the particular city name.
It's not important. Oh, you just want to make sure you see the laboratory. So,
yes.
What's your profession?
I want to visit there. I just want to see how is it. Yeah.
So you must be. Are you an engineer that you're interested in his laboratory?
No.
Are you a teacher?
No.
Is that?
No, I'm not an engineer. I am just teacher.
Oh.
Yeah, I am a teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
That makes sense. You're interested in all of that history and everything.
Yes. That's right.
So cool.
It is. Yeah. So now, do you have bad habits? Because you told me your good habits, but I think would you like to share me your bad habits if you have?
Oh yeah, I have.
As I know you don't have. As I know you don't have bad habits.
Yeah, I'm perfect. What are you talking about, bad habits?
Okay, because I am very happy because I made you laugh and you broke into laughter.
Oh yeah. It was so funny.
Your smile is very beautiful.
Oh, thank you. It was funny how you said that. Maybe you don't have any bad habits. Yeah. No, actually, I have a bad habit. I chew my skin here.
Yeah. So you chew something like
a nervous chewing habit.
So when you feel nervous, oh,
I bite or chew the skin inside my lip.
so okay. So do you want to remove it? Do you want to remove this habit?
Yes, I want to quit that habit.
Okay. So yeah. So are you trying for this?
Yes. Yes. Actually, I even have a mouth guard that I sometimes so I can't bite that skin.
Okay.
How about you?
So do you live with your?
Do you have any bad habits? Or
Yes,
no?
I have bad habit that this is according to me. This is bad habit that I trust easily on someone. Those who comes to me, that I am this type of person. I easily believe on them. That this is the best.
What? You what?
I easily trust on anybody.
Stress on anyone?
Yes. This is a bad habit for me. I don't want to trust anybody. Yeah.
Trust. Oh, trust. Oh, you don't easily. No, you do.
Yeah, I easily trust. I easily trust.
Oh.
Yeah.
But at least you're aware of it, so you can, stop yourself from getting taken advantage of.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Thank you so much for your call.
Okay.
Until next time.
Thank you. Thanks for teaching me a lot.